Have you been looking to get your business on Amazon but can't seem to find the time to learn about FBA approval and designate part of your business toward Amazon orders? At AMZ Prep, we're here to be able to help you with product fulfillment, Amazon SEO, and even professional photography services to ensure your product catches the customer's attention. We can assist in specialized orders, individual packaging requirements, and any necessary labeling of your products to ensure your orders meet the required regulations. While saving your own warehouse space and employees for your regular day-to-day operations, we're here to make sure that you can be found on Amazon, fulfill all of your orders, bring back those happy customers, and grow your personal business name or brand, and give you time back into your day. With Amazon, the priority is getting the product to the consumer as fast as possible, so why not have a team designated to do the work on your behalf, getting your product to the customer fast and saving you time. AMZ Prep is a part of eShipper.com, giving you access to all the top couriers and some of the best shipping rates for small and medium businesses. We're here to help you grow. If you or anyone you know has a small or medium-sized business and would like to get on Amazon or get discounted shipping rates, go to eShipper.com or reach out to me at Jeremy, that's Jeremy, at eShipper.com. Take care.